Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember, leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. So guys, this video was suggested by Lee Eagles. I will leave her name somewhere on the description, in the description box and across the screen. I made banana bread and muffins and all of that, but I have never made a banana pudding. All right, some people use the banana pudding, but I know that when you eat banana pudding, these ones, it tend to have like a, I don't know, like a faintish taste, or not such a great taste. So I'm making it my way. I'm gonna use the vanilla flavor pudding. All right, and we're gonna get into this video. Okay, so first you need one of this. All right, now guys, I would suggest, if you're making like for a big family, you go ahead and use 2 packs. Okay, but I'm just using 1. All right, and when you put that in, guys, you need 2 cups of whole milk. If you follow the package carefully, it says add the package and add 2 cups of whole milk, and you're gonna mix it or whisk it for 2 minutes. All right, that is it. But guys, there's something though, when I'm mixing it, there's like little, not too much, but a little bit of lumps. So maybe you can go ahead and just mix it out and it will dissolve eventually. I think it will. Yeah, it dissolves eventually. So just go ahead and mix out those little lumps if you see them in there, guys. A trick to it, maybe pour the milk first and then you put the package. All right, maybe you can try it that way too. All right, I'm gonna add some whipping cream to this. So I'm gonna set this aside in the fridge, and then we're gonna whip up some whipped cream. Just before you start to use it, you pop it in the freezer so it's well chilled. All right, I'm gonna use about 1/2 cup, guys. To this, I'm gonna add about, say, a smidge, maybe about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Optional, you don't have to use it. I just like to add my style. And I'm gonna whip this until it forms a peak. All right guys, you want to whisk it until it forms a peak or it's not falling off. All right, this too I'm gonna put in the fridge to chill until I'm ready for it. I have 2 fingers of ripe banana. You can use more or less. I'm not gonna make a lot, so if you want to make more, you double it up. Okay guys, and I'm gonna cut these pretty thin. You need one of these Nella's vanilla flavored wafers. All right, now guys, you're gonna make it creamy. I'm gonna take a little bit of this. 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna mix it in. Just fold it in, okay guys? I think that's it, guys. I think we're ready. Look at my bowl. I put a piece of bling on it, and I got this from the dollar store a long time ago, or thrift store. And look at it, guys. Woo. I'm gonna put a little bit in the bottom. You can go ahead and line it first. It's up to you, okay, guys? All right. We're gonna grab our cookies and we're gonna line the bottom. Grab some bananas and you're gonna line it. Guys, you want to repeat the process, all right? And we're gonna put some more. We're not gonna use no more bananas. We're just gonna use the cookies. And then one goes in the middle, just like so. I cut a little V or something like that, and I'm gonna pipe it just in the middle, okay? Put some strawberries. I'm gonna pour some in the middle. And let's put some strawberries right around it. I finally did it. Oh yes. Look at that, guys. Look at that. All right. So this is it, guys. Now you want to pop it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. But I wouldn't do more, guys. But you're going to pop it in there so all this goodness, all the pudding can go down in the banana and in the cookies. And it's going to soften it up a little bit. And we're going to try this. Look at that, guys. All right, let's put one of this. You want to taste it? Let's taste a little bit. Put some with the cookie.
I do taste some of the cookie.
You taste the cookie? The cookie gonna give it the sweetness.
She tastes good.
It tastes good? Yeah! First time doing it and I did good. Look at that, guys. Alright, guys. Love upon me and I love upon you. You have a good day. Bye, guys.